Hey there for Dragonfly and me friends. Well, today is Sunday, May 6th or 7th. I can't remember. But anyways, I am getting ready to plant my purple passion asparagus and my Martha Washington asparagus. So I wanted to make a quick video of this. I'm also going to have this on my blog to where you can see more of a step-by-step. But there's a couple important things that I wanted to go over with you here. And welcome to my raised bed garden. We have 3 of the big beds and all 4 of the little beds done. Rhubarb's planted. Oh, Frank says hi, everybody. And he's out helping me today. But I am going to plant my asparagus plants today. And again, I wanted to give you a tutorial similar to that of the one that I did for the asparagus. And I'm going to get my trowel. So, our Martha Washingtons are over here, and my purple passions are over here. So, as you can see, I've lined them up, and I want them all about a foot apart. And this is obviously not going to mature this year, so I'm actually going to use this bed as another planting to where I'm going to put like probably lettuces or something quick growing. The asparagus is, again, these are 2-year-old roots. Move, Frank. And one thing that during one of my blogs where I explained to you guys my top 5 favorite perennial fruits and vegetables, asparagus was definitely one of those. I mentioned to you during that blog that you want to purchase 2-year-old roots. You do not want to buy 1-year-old roots because it means you got to wait an extra year. You need to wait for asparagus to be at least 3 years old to begin harvesting. So I will not harvest this asparagus next year. I will let it shoot up and go to fern, which is when, if you've grown asparagus before, if you've seen asparagus, where it almost looks like a little fir tree. It's really pretty, and then they get little red berries on it, which is actually an asparagus seed. So I'm gonna start by showing you how to dig your trench. And so right now I'm going to move my asparagus up a foot. I kind of know where I've marked them in that way so that I know where to put my mound. So again, asparagus has all these long legs, and I'm going to come up a little closer to show you. This is the crown right here. So each one of these little pokey parts, the crowns, are going to shoot up an asparagus shoot. And these are all of its roots. And this is what you are going to make a little teepee, like almost like a little mountain. And you're going to put those spider legs, octopus legs over top of it. So with asparagus, you want to dig about a 1-foot trench. So I'm going to kind of just dig it along here, and I'm going to put it about a foot out from the edge of my raised bed. So digging that trench, digging the trench a little deeper, and then I'm going to kind of mound them up. That way, and then I'm going to mound it up a little bit more that way. Mostly where I am trying to plant each root. So as you can see, this is about a foot. So I'm getting down in there. Okay. And so as I'm doing this, I am making sure, okay, that, put those guys a little over there. I want to be able to make that little mound, that little hill that I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there we go. Oh, can you hear the Canada honkers? Whoop. Oh, they're gone. They're here and they're gone. So now I've dug my holes. And as you can see, I'm going to dig this one a little deeper. And then what I'm going to do is, here's my root. So I'm now going to take this hole and I'm going to make a little mountain on it, and in it rather, not on it. And so, and again, I'm going to have pictures of each of these steps at my blog. So there we go. So I have a little mound there. And then I'm going to take this crown and take all the legs and carefully, because they will snap off really easily, I'm going to put them over that mound and spread them out, making sure that the crowns are poking up, and then I'm going to bury it. So, and this is going to be kind of a mound too. So there we go. And I'm going to do this one more time. I'm not going to keep you guys here for every one that I'm making here. I just want to get you guys so that you guys can see the process. And then again, I'm going to take my asparagus. I'm going to spread those little roots, and then I'm going to put them right like that, nice. I'm going to bury them back up, and I'm going to make a mound right there. So I'm going to know too. So when I'm out here looking for all my new little baby asparaguses, that's where they're going to be. And so do one more. So I'm making a little hill, like a little mountain, taking those roots, and again, carefully spreading them. These are really beautiful roots. I believe I ordered these from Baker Creek. I'll have to double check. So there we go. There we go. I'm going to make that mound right like that. So friends, that is the gist of it. And so I'm going to finish planting all of these baby asparaguses. And I will head you over to my blog after this video on YouTube. As I always say, please smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, so that you'll keep getting content. I put recipes out, my podcast goes on here as well, and then all kinds of gardening how-tos. And now that gardening season is up and we are getting ready to do some planting, you're going to get lots of videos of me here out in the garden with Frank and the boys and Dave as well. But thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. So please hit that smash button, or smash that like button and the subscribe button, so YouTube will keep showing my stuff to everybody. But if you have any questions about planting asparagus or anything else gardening, or if there's a video that you'd like to see specifically, throw it in the comments below. I check them all the time and I try to respond as best as I can. And but always remember, friends, to eat fresh, shop local, and have a happy day. See you next time.